વેલકમ ટુ ધ ઇંગ્લિશ ક્લાસ. કેમ છો તમે બધા? મજામાં ને? યુનિટ 1ની એક્ટિવિટીઝ કરતા હશો ખરું ને? મજા આવે છે ને? ટુડે ઓલ્સો we will do an interesting activity. Get ready for that. Open your textbook of English, unit number 1 and page number 11. Let us read the instruction. Activity 8A. Study this map and read the dialogue based on it. Dear students, in this activity we will study the map. There is also the dialogue given below the map. We will read the dialogue and understand it. But first of all, we will start with reading of the map. So pratham, we will locate the different places in this map. હું તમને કેટલાક પ્રશ્નો પૂછીશ. આ પ્રશ્નોના આધારે તમારે મેપમાં આપેલા સ્થળો શોધી કાઢવાના છે. સ્થળ શોધીને જે તે સ્થળ ફરતે તમારે સર્કલની નિશાની કરવાની છે. I shall give you an example. Look at here. There is a word bus stop. Find out bus stop from the map. Where is the bus stop in the map? Yes, here it is. Now, the second question. Where is the river in the map? Where is the river in the map? It's very simple. Yes, here it is. You can see the blue color here. Students, તમે મેપમાં અહીંયા પણ રાઉન્ડ કરી શકો, અહીંયા પણ કરી શકો. You can do it here also, right? Wherever you see the blue color, you can put the circle there, right? So this is the river. Now, where are the temples in the map? Find them out. Yes, it's very simple. Here it is. This is one and this is another one. There are two temples in the map. તમે પણ ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં આપેલા મેપમાં ટેમ્પલ્સની ફરતે સર્કલ કરી દો. Now, let's find out some other words. Find out mosque from the map. Yes, here they are. This is one mosque and this is the second one. So there are two mosques given in the map. Now let us mark these places. તમે પણ ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં આપેલા મેપમાં મોસ્ક ફરતે સર્કલ કરી દો. Now, the next word. Police station. Find out the police station from the map. It's very easy. Read the map and find it out. This is the police station. It is near the Hussain Mosque. Now let's mark the place. let's find out one more place from the map. Library. So where is the library in the map? Library is between the clock tower and primary health center. Let us mark these places. First, library. Right? Do like this in your map. Now, the clock tower. What is left now? Primary health center. Now let's find out some other places. Find out college from the map. Where is the college in the map? Yes, here it is. We can also say it is next to the Taluka school. This is the Taluka school. This is the college. So, let's mark these two places. Students, now let's find out the bank from the map. Where is the bank? Yes, here it is. We can also say that the bank is near the post office. Now let us mark these two places. So Vidyarthi Mitro, we have located different places in this map. We have also marked those places. હવે કેટલાક પ્લેસીસ આપણે માર્ક નથી કર્યા, રાઈટ? એ તમારે શોધવાના છે અને તમારી જાતે એને માર્ક કરવાના છે. મિત્રો, પ્લેસીસની સાથોસાથ there are some streets also given in the map. Now I shall read the names of those streets. All of you also look at the map in your textbook. You can also watch it on your screen. This is the Rana Street. This is the Suthar Street. There is one more street here. The name of the street is Dwarkesh Street. There is one more street here near the mosque, Javeri Street. Now let's see the opposite side. Here, the name of this street is Brahman Street. Now come here. This is yet another street and its name is Chipwad Street. This is yet another street. It is Bank Street. This is also a street, but its name is given Nagrik Bank Corner. So students, we have studied the map. We have located different places, streets and roads in the map. Right? Now there is a dialogue given below the map. We have to read the dialogue and understand it with the help of the map. So first of all, I shall read the dialogue. All of you listen to it attentively. Rohan: Hello Javed. Now I am at the bus stop. Where are you? Javed: I am at the post office. Rohan, how can I reach there? Javed, first of all, come out from the bus stop. Then turn left and walk along the main bazaar road. Rohan, Javed, now I am on the bazaar road and I see the signboard of Rana Street. Javed, walk straight about 50 meters. Then you will see the signboard of Bank Street. Take left turn from there and you will see the post office. After 5 minutes. Rohan, hi Javed. So students, did you understand? There were two friends, Rohan and Javed. Rohan and Javed are talking to each other over the phone. તમને થોડું ઘણું એ પણ સમજાયું હશે કે Rohan is asking questions to Javed. So students, did you notice in this dialogue? Javed was giving instructions to Rohan over the phone. અને આ દ્વારા શું થયું? Rohan could meet Javed. Students, we have understood the dialogue with the help of the pictures. Now, let's use the map, read the dialogue, locate the route in the map and understand the dialogue once again. હવે હું જે પ્રમાણે મેપમાં રૂટ માર્ક કરું એ જ પ્રમાણે તમારે પણ તમારા ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં આપેલા મેપમાં રૂટ માર્ક કરવાનો છે. આપણે ડાયલોગ વાંચતા દઈશું અને અકોર્ડિંગલી મેપમાં રૂટ માર્ક કરતા દઈશું. સો ગેટ રેડી ફોર ધેટ. તમારી પેન્સિલ તૈયાર રાખો. લિસન ટુ ધ ડાયલોગ કેરફુલી. Rohan, hello Javed. Now I am at the bus stop. Where are you? Javed, I am at the post office. Rohan, how can I reach there? So students, Rohan is at the bus stop. Javed is at the post office. Rohan wants to reach to the post office. He wants to meet Javed. Now Javed is answering the question of Rohan. What is he saying? Let's see that. Javed, first of all, come out from the bus stop. Then turn left and walk along the main bazaar road. So Javed is saying that Rohan, you come out from the bus stop. Okay, આ પ્રમાણે તમે માર્ક કરતા રહેજો. ઠીક છે? This is the first instruction. Come out from the bus stop. Then turn left. So Rohan is here. Javed is saying that now you take left turn and walk along the main bazaar road. Now let's read the dialogue further. What is he saying? Javed, now I am on the main bazaar road and see the signboard of Rana Street. Now look at this route in the map. Rohan has come out from the bus stop, has taken the left turn, has started walking. And what is he saying? That I am walking on the main bazaar road and can see the signboard of Rana Street. Where is the Rana Street? Here it is. Mark the route with the pencil in the map. Right. Now let us see the other instructions. Javed, walk straight about 50 meters. then you will see the signboard of Bank Street. Take left turn from there and you will see the post office. There are many instructions given by Javed. What are they? Walk straight about 50 meters. We know that Rohan is on the main Bazaar road and he could see the signboard of Rana Street. Now Javed is saying that you still walk straight about 50 meters. So Javed is advising Rohan and Rohan is walking straight ahead about 50 meters. And what is to be done now? He is saying that you walk straight about 50 meters and you will see the signboard of Bank Street. Look at the Bank Street here. Okay. What is to be done having reached to the spot? Yes, take left turn. Okay, take left turn. Here is the left turn. And you will see the post office. See, here is the post office. After 5 minutes, Rohan. Hi Javed. So students, Rohan could meet Javed. Javed has given him a set of instructions over the phone and the Rohan could reach to the post office. He could meet his friend Javed. So students, તમે પણ તમારા ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં આપેલ મેપમાં આ રૂટ માર્ક કરી લીધો હશે. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તમે માર્ક કર્યું હશે કે વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ધ મેપ એન્ડ વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ અ સેટ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ આપણે કોઈપણ સ્થળ જો શોધવું હોય, કોઈપણ સ્થળે પહોંચવું હોય તો આપણે આરામથી પહોંચી શકીએ. ફોર દેટ વી હેવ ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ ઇન ઇંગ્લિશ. મિત્રો, અત્યારે તો ગૂગલ મેપની મદદથી પણ વી કેન રીચ to the places where we want to reach with the help of instructions and with the help of map. Let's start with activity 8B. Open the textbook of English, unit number 1, page number 12. Read the instruction given there. Instructions વાંચી શું કરવાનું છે એમાં? Yes, you have to draw the map of a village or an area or a town or a city. See, there is a space also given there in the textbook. Let's draw the roads first. This is the main Bazaar road. This is a road going towards the highway. Now, let's draw the streets. તમને યાદ છે બાળ મિત્રો? Activity 8A માં પણ there were streets given in the map. So let's draw the streets. This is Brahmbhatt Street, Prajapati Street, Vania Street, Darbar Street, Brahman Street, Patel Street, and that is one more, Patel Street. Now, let's mark the places. This is the bus stop. Near the bus stop, that is the school. There is PHC also. તમારા ગામમાં પણ હશે. There is a medical store. There is a mosque. That is the post office. This is the Jain temple. This is the bank. This is a hospital. This is the library. This is the Shiva temple. This is the dairy. This is the pond. This is the Panchayat office. And yes, this is the stationery shop. So children, this is the map that we have drawn. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, on the screen we have drawn the map. This is the map of a village called Vadu. It is a village in Vadodara district. પણ આ મેપ તો માત્ર ઉદાહરણરૂપ હતો અને એમાં થોડા ફેરફાર પણ કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા. ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં તમારે તમારા ગામ કે વિસ્તાર કે શહેરનો નકશો દોરવાનો છે. નાવ લેટ્સ સી ધ એક્ટિવિટી 8C. શું કરવાનું છે એમાં? આ મેપના આધારે શું કરવાનું છે? ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ તૈયાર કરવાની છે. શું કીધું છે? તમારો મિત્ર તમારા ગામ કે વિસ્તારની મુલાકાત લે છે. એ ગામના બસ સ્ટોપ પર છે. તમારો મોબાઈલ દ્વારા સંપર્ક કરે છે. તમારો મિત્ર તમારા ગામ કે વિસ્તારના 3 સ્થળોની મુલાકાત લઈ શકે તે માટેની સૂચનાઓ તૈયાર કરવાની છે. There is a space given there, right? તો તમને બંને પ્રવૃત્તિ ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે. Don't forget to do both the activity. Now is fun time. I know all of you enjoy playing games, right? પણ આપણે ગેમ્સની સાથોસાથ ઇંગ્લિશની પણ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની છે. બોલવાની, સાંભળવાની, રીડિંગ એન્ડ રાઇટિંગ.
The cycle glides high in the air. Oh, what a thrill for Teju dear. The cloud banks and at great pace. Poor Teju shoots off into space. Then Teju sees with great delight 2 wings appear to help his flight, to help his flight, to help his flight.
થેન્ક યુ જાગૃતિ, દીપ્તિ એન્ડ વર્ચિસા. મિત્રો, તમને બધાને આ પોયમ શીખવાની ખૂબ જ મજા આવી હશે. આજે યુનિટ 1 અહીં આપણે પૂર્ણ કરીએ છીએ. યુનિટ 1માં આપણે વિવિધ પ્લેસીસની મુલાકાત લીધી, જે તે ગાંધી આશ્રમ, હોસ્પિટલ અને આપણે ગીરની પણ મજા માણી. સાથે સાથે ડિફરન્ટ ડિરેક્શન શીખ્યા, એના માટેના સિમ્બલ્સ અને મેપ રીડિંગ એટલે મેપ કઈ રીતે જોઈ શકાય તે શીખ્યા અને સાથે સાથે મેપમાં રૂટ ડ્રો કરતા પણ શીખ્યા. મિત્રો, આ બધી જ વસ્તુઓનો આપણે ડે ટુ ડે લાઈફમાં ઉપયોગ કરીએ અને આપણું અંગ્રેજી સુધારીએ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
Bye bye.
બાય બાય.